Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your depot balance into your bank. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to go to depop.com and then from here sign into your account. Now from here you want to go and click into your selling hub. Now I'm in the help section of Depot Help here, so how payouts work. So a payout is the amount of money you receive from making a sale minus the fees paid to your connected bank account from your Depot balance. All payouts are processed through Depot payments powered by Stripe and get sent within a specific schedule to help you easily manage your sales and keep you protected. So basically, how do you receive your payout? So to make sure you get the money in your connected bank account as fast as possible after your sale, you need to add a valid bank account and also verify your identity by uploading ID. So what we want to do is come over to your seller hub, and then where it says payments, you want to go ahead and look at your balance. So it's going to show you a balance here, and then you want to go ahead and click on bank account, and then from here you need your phone to add or edit your linked bank account. So open the camera on your phone and start the QR code below. So just go ahead and scan that. Now once we've done that, we need to do then from here also you need to verify your account via your phone. So again, just scan that, and then from there it's going to open up the application, verify your account.